Hey, it's so great seeing you today. I hope you are trying to relax and stay calm in the midst of all the chaos that we're currently experiencing, not only as a world, but even as a community. So what I wanted to do is touch base with you regarding telemental health services and let you know how it works, talk to you about some of the benefits, and let you know that it is an option that I'm currently providing in my practice. So the video is pretty short, but like I said, I just wanted to reach out and let you know that I'm still here for you, and let you know that if you're interested in continuing the progress that you've made, that I'm here for you. So I am going to walk you through the process of engaging in telehealth services. But before I do that, rest assured that telehealth is confidential, it is HIPAA compliant, and it is covered by insurance companies. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that you would do is you're going to get a video appointment reminder. So once you receive that, in this reminder, there is going to be a link. Let me get up here. It'll just say that you have an appointment. So you would know that you have the appointment. You can schedule it in your iCloud, Google, or Outlook. If you want to change that appointment, of course, remember to please give us a call here. So what you would do is you would click on the Join Video Call link. Okay, so once you click on the Join Video Call link, this screen will appear. You will click the this link right here that says Join Video Call. Once you click the Join Video Call link, this screen right here will appear, and it'll say Waiting for Other Participants. You will also have a button that says Sound, so you want to make sure that the sound is on. There's a camera, excuse me, a camera button here, so it'll let you know that your camera's on. If you have to leave the meeting, or once the meeting ends, you're gonna just click the Leave Meeting tab. And also, if we're disconnected anytime, you can always reboot the or you could just go back and click the link again so that the screen will come back up. One good thing that you want to keep in mind, excuse me, one good thing that you want to keep in mind is to make sure that you have good internet connection. I know some people may go sit in the car so that they get better reception that way. And then also, if you have the earbuds or earphones, you can put those in as well. Alrighty, so now that you've clicked on the link, you will see that that you will pop up in the frame, and then once you do that, we'll go ahead and get our session started. And usually the session will be about 45 to 50 minutes. So that's pretty much it. You can feel free to let me know if you have any questions about that, and that will be all. Thank you so much. Remember that you can go ahead and schedule your video visit today. We do not have to interrupt services, and I look forward to speaking with you soon. Have a wonderful day.